you manifest everything you desire in 30 days? Whether it's money, love, a home, dream body, healing, aligned business, peace, clarity, fame, even faith. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be anything that you want. All of the people, especially women that I've worked with, have manifested what they wanted within 30 days. And if not, then at least within the year of manifesting that thing. Now, for those who are new here, my name is Parashara, and the brand here, the company is Glimpses Astrology, and I'm creating a specific community which is called Manifest. Used to be called Omnipotence, but I'm calling it Manifest for simplicity. And what you're going to be getting here is a birth chart based manifestation system. Okay, so my manifestations are very different than what you see on the internet. It usually revolves around things like law of attraction or trying certain methods or learning some kind of magic. When you are utilizing someone else's method, when you're utilizing tools and methods and techniques that may work for someone else, whether they claim that it works for them or they're just sharing it, there's a reason why a lot of these things don't work for you. There are some people where they should tell everyone everything. There are some people who shouldn't tell anyone anything. There are people where they're running a certain time period in their life as per their birth chart, and they shouldn't be telling anyone anything at all about what they're trying to manifest. As you can see, we have less manifest here. Clean, intentional, ritual space, birth chart activation meets personalized methods and soft energy by modern women and men. You guys are welcome. Manifesting aligned lives. Okay, so we have a little bit of activity going on. Um, so this is where you will get the news feed basically. And there is an app for this, so you can download the app. You don't always have to go on the desktop or website to do this. You can go on and download the app, the school app, and you'll have access to the community directly straight on your phone. Without needing to enter the browser or your laptop or your computer. So there will be different sections here. Right now, there's just a general discussion, but there will be different sections for things like the affiliates or for people to start making money right now. Um, because unfortunately, I do come across people, a lot of women, where they're in tough spots, tough situations, and this is something where it's affordable, $49 a month, and they were actually able to make money from this as well. And there'll be other discussions here and topics, but for now, I don't have anything created for that. I was just getting all the bases done. Then we have the classroom. So this is where the courses will be, okay? So there will be more courses here soon. There will be a mini course on the side of this, but for now, the manifestation school, the manifestation course will be added here from the platform about the about the events, about the master classes. So you'll have reminders and you'll be able to come here and just see when the event is, the time, the link, okay? And you can actually add it to your calendar as well to make it easy to make sure you remember and don't forget.